Let us be partners.
Friends and lovers.
Friends and lovers.
Today.
Today.
And all the days that follow.
And all the days that follow.
Can you place the ring on her finger? I take you, Jose.
I take you, Jose.
To be my lawfully wedded spouse.
To be my lawfully wedding spouse.
To take you as you are.
To take you as you are.
To love you unconditionally.
To love you unconditionally.
And without hesitation.
And without hesitation.
And with this ring I marry you.
And with this ring I marry you.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe.
I can't believe it, but we're officially married.
We're one now.
Oh my God.
We're a pair.
It's been too long, 12 years. I mean, it was about time, okay?
Well,
I needed that ring.
We have a long time to go now.
Yeah, now it's forever. So I'm really excited about that. So we actually got married, you guys, August 1st, and it's been so hard.
I can't believe you kept it quiet for 3 weeks.
It's been so hard to keep it quiet. We basically wanted to make this like a story time on how we got married and like the whole process of it, because this wedding, you guys, was like so not traditional. Like we did not do anything how you're supposed to do it. And like that was the whole purpose of this, is like you don't have to do it a certain way, you know? You can make it your own way.
Do it your way for you and your partner.
And that's what we did. So basically August 1st, we got married. So for like 6 months, we were just back and forth, like, okay, let's have this big party. Like, who are we gonna invite? Who are we gonna do this? And like, you guys know that I don't have a big family anyways. And like, I didn't wanna feel pressure to like have bridesmaids and do this and do that. I wasn't gonna have that anyways, because I don't have like a group of friends, or like, you know, I don't have any of those traditional things that are usually in weddings. So we were like,
let's just go for it. And
yeah,
do it.
like,
and I felt like that was something you were gonna do more for other people than for yourself. And I really wanted her to enjoy her day and, you know, do it for us. And that's exactly what we did.
Okay, you guys, so we're about to go get our marriage license. Oh my God, it's been so long, but we're finally gonna do it, and I'm pretty excited, nervous. I don't know what to like expect. I know it's just like a license, but still, like,
I'll hold your hand through it.
I don't know.
I'll be right there with you.
So we'll see. And
I can't believe you're nervous.
we wanted to just film the whole process for you guys, and since
So this is just the beginning.
yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Well, by the time you guys have seen this video, we'll be married. We wanted to like document the entire process and make it into like a full video.
Come with us. Let's
You
get
sure?
married.
You sure you want to do this?
Can I put an opt-out clause in the marriage?
No. Forever. Cardi B meme.
and then we went August 1st and we got married, and like, oh my God, I was so excited, you guys. Like, I wore this white jumpsuit and Jose wore a suit, and you were looking dapper, like so nice.
My little tight suit.
We had so much fun.
I was tight.
No, I wasn't tight.
It was tight.
It wasn't that tight.
I was cutting the clothes.
Oh my God.
I'm ready to add more diamonds to this finger.
Well, you're the only diamond I need.
Oh my God. Bada boosh.
Today.
Today.
And all the days that follow.
And all the days that follow.
Can you place the ring on her finger?
There she goes. She's all mine now.
Oh my God.
It's no going back.
You guys know that we've been together for so long. So I was like, okay, this is not gonna like, you know, make me cry or anything. Like, I don't know, even though I'm a super emotional person.
Lies. She
But
got super emotional in there.
Once she started reading the vows, like I lost it. I started crying. I was bursting. I was like, oh my God, like my ugly crying face was in full effect.
You could hear it in your voice when you were like repeating the vows.
Yeah, and it was so special.
It was sweet.
I loved it. Yeah, it was honestly so nice. And then like once we got married, we went and we had this really nice dinner, and it was like special. There was no pressure to do this or that. Before we did the civil ceremony, we knew we wanted to have like wedding photos to share with you guys and to have at home.
Have memories. Yeah, we actually bought the picture frames a while ago.
Yeah.
They've been sitting here in the apartment empty, just waiting for those pictures.
As soon as I saw those frames, I was like, yes, I'm putting my wedding photos there. So what we did, we basically went to a bridal store. Actually, shout out to my friend Heart. We love you. She actually recommended this place for us to go check out for like a wedding dress.
Even that wasn't traditional. It's like you went in there and within an hour you knew what dress you wanted.
Yeah.
After trying on like 2 dresses.
Yeah, like they had so many beautiful dresses, and like I tried this one on and I was like, this is it. So we got the dress and we had this beautiful, amazing photo shoot in Malibu with the sunset, and it was so dreamy, you guys. It was honestly perfect. And most of you guys already saw the photos on my Instagram. If you haven't seen them, I'll link them in the description box below and on the blog so you can check it out.
And we're also gonna make a video on the blog just sharing some more pictures because there's 600 of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of photos.
So the ones that didn't make it to the Instagram, we'll share with you guys there.
Honestly, it was so nice. We got our wedding photos. We did, you know, the civil ceremony, and like, it was special. It was for us, you know? And we're also gonna take a super duper long vacation. Like,
have we figured out where we're going yet?
yes, we can tell them, but it's gonna be for a long time, and we're going away, and you guys are gonna come with us. So make sure you're subscribed to the vlog channel so you can be there with us, because we're gonna be sharing everything with you guys. But yeah, this was all about our personal experience. Like, oh my God, your dad.
Who is that?
Jose's dad just posted a picture of me.
I didn't even know that was you. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
A picture. He posted the whole photo album.
Jose's dad is posting all our photos on his Instagram.
My God.
Oh my God.
Somebody stop him.
The unedited photos. Bro. He tagged the wrong person. I mean, I've spoken to so many of my friends who have had like super big weddings, and they're like, honestly, if I can go back in time, I will have a small little dinner and use all my money to buy a house and to, you know, travel. And like, that's exactly how we felt even before knowing, you know, how anyone else felt. Like, we knew we wanted to do it our way. At the same time, we were able to share our photos and videos and clips and just bring you guys on the journey with us. You know what I mean? I'm so happy about that. Honestly, like, if you are engaged and you're feeling pressured to like have this big thing, or you don't have like a big family like I do, and you just want to do something special on, you know, between you and your partner, just do that. Do what makes you happy. Like, I want this to be more of like a normal thing. Overall, like, this whole experience, I wouldn't do it any other way, honestly, because we did what made us happy and we had a great time. And actually, we're going to New York in a few weeks to celebrate with our family over there. We're just having like a small dinner, and I get to dress up again, so I'm really excited about that.
I'm dressed up right now. This is only day 1 and she made me dress up. She wanted a collar shirt, so we compromised on a half collar.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't know, like, I just wanted to share our story with you guys. And
yes, just thank you guys so much for allowing us to share this with you, and thank you so much for all the messages you have been sending my lovely wife.
oh my God.
Not just congratulating her, but you know.
It's so crazy because like I was opening my DMs on Instagram and people were like, oh my God, I've been here since you lived in New York in that tiny apartment. People were like, oh my God, remember watching your first video, which was my DIY, like braiding a tank top?
I remember you did that. You locked yourself in the bathroom to do that.
Yeah, with the computer. That was so long ago, but it just shows you like how far.
Yeah, you've come a long way. The only thing we regret about this entire thing is that we weren't able to take Mac with us.
One thing we regret.
And he knows it. So from now on, he's gonna be included in everything, and we're gonna have a photo shoot just to include him.
The little Mackie boy. So cute. The screen is right here. That's why we're looking down here, but. So that's gonna be it for this story time video, how we got married and the whole situation. So we hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.
And thank you for sharing this moment with us. We really appreciate it.
Yes, it means so much to us. Don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to the vlog channel. We will link everything here so you guys can, you know, make sure you join the family.
And let us know how you feel about the new intro.
Yes, oh my God, I love it. And I was like, I kept you guys in mind. I was like, this is like so personal because it's part of like us. The other one was like animated and it was nice, but this one has like, you know, us involved, which is...
We have to include him somehow.
Yeah, no, we have pictures of him that we're definitely gonna include. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. That's gonna be it. We'll see you guys in the next one very soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Get to finish your sentences now.
Bye. Let's go get some food because I'm hungry.